In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Telegram without payment. Before we begin, it's very important to understand one thing clearly. Telegram is completely free to use and you do not need to pay anything to log in. If any website, person, or service asks you to send money just to access your account, that is a major warning sign. In most cases, that means it's either a scam or an unofficial service that you should avoid. For safety, always use the official Telegram app. To get started, open the official Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the real app from your device's app store, since that helps protect your account and your personal information. Once the app is open, you'll see the welcome screen. From there, tap Start Messaging to begin the login process. Next, enter your phone number. Be careful here and make sure the number is correct, including the country code if needed. Telegram uses your phone number to identify your account, so even a small mistake can prevent you from receiving your login code. After you've entered the correct number, tap Next. Now you'll need to wait for the login code. Telegram can send this code in a couple of different ways. If you're already logged in on another device, the code may appear inside Telegram there. If not, it can also arrive by SMS to your phone number. This is normal, so just use whichever code Telegram sends you. When the code arrives, enter it carefully into the app. Make sure you type the numbers exactly as shown. If the code is correct, Telegram will verify it and continue automatically. At that point, you are logged in and ready to use your account. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and double check that your phone number was entered correctly. Also, make sure you have Signal if you're expecting an SMS. The most important thing is to stay within the official Telegram app and avoid any third-party websites that claim they can log you in for a fee. So that's it. The official way to log into Telegram is simple, quick, and completely free. Open the app, tap Start Messaging, enter your phone number, tap Next, wait for your login code, and enter it. Once that's done, you'll be successfully logged in without paying anything at all.